How to send crypto from Binance. So first you want to open up the app and then click on assets. Now you want to select the asset that you want to send or the crypto by going to the funding wallet or the spot wallet, depending on which one has the money. Now in your wallet, you want to select the crypto that you want to send, for example, USDT. Now all you need to do is click on the send button at the bottom here and click on withdraw crypto. Now you will need to paste the wallet address that you want to send crypto to, or you can use this button here to scan a QR code. And then you want to pick the network that you want to use depending on your crypto that you're sending. Also, the receiving address should tell you which network to use. And once you select the network, you want to specify the amount they want to send. Usually there's a minimum between $1 to $10, depending on the crypto you're sending as well. And once you fill all the information here, you want to click on the withdraw button. And this should send the crypto to the specified address. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. See you on the next one.